afternoon. We're in Poniente, where we just had the Mascletà right over there, and the wind was in the excellent direction, not towards us, all the way towards the city centre back there. So we didn't have all the smoke, and we have that blue skies back, which make it so beautiful for today. A huge amount of crowds came at it. Right now, most of them have left already for some bars in the neighborhood. One thing we are going to do as well. But perfect weather again. 24 degrees, I believe it was, around 24, 23. Really stunning. And a small parade is starting right over there, heading towards the beach. But look at this. All the leftovers from the fireworks. Wow, it is quite a lot. Okay, and here at Poniente we can see they have started putting on the fireworks show, the preparations for it. So this will be tomorrow, Wednesday evening, around 9 PM I believe, between 9 or 10. Very big show over here, definitely. If you're in Benidorm, don't miss it. And it's the final thing of the Fiestas. The fancy dress actually isn't included with it. It's just an add-on the tourists started doing. Just beautiful weather, really is. As well, the crowds have died down a little bit. So perfect time to actually do a little walk through the old town to get towards the Levante beach. And during the fiestas we have a market over here. Just a small one. but nice to have a look at least. And I believe on the other side of the bridge we're gonna cross, there is a new Sinatra's. A new bar has opened up recently over there, so I could show you guys that as well. Yeah, it ain't anything big or so, but nice. They added some bits. And probably the best time to visit if you really want a place for yourselves right now, around 5 p.m. So there we have the Town's Hall of Benidorm in the distance, as well the place where all the concerts are at night. Chicken place to get your food. And then it continues right over here. Chocolates and churros and everything. They really got quite a lot. More than I expected actually, especially over here on this side. Mojitos. You can get some Caprinas, Pina Colada. Got some jewelry stands as well. Some, I believe, dried fruits and everything. And lots of places which sell food and everything. I think this place really will come alive at night. When everyone goes out, grab some drinks, have a seat somewhere, and then enjoy it all. And by the way, that new Sinatra's bar I was telling you guys about is right over here. It is not open currently, I see. It's closed for holidays.
Yeah, but if you don't really, he doesn't really know what's going on day to day, he just someone else to do
So yeah, it has been pretty quiet at most of the bars and everything. believe it, it's still around 5 p.m. So that is why many people are on their way back from a bar towards their hotel or anything, back to their room. And later on it will get busier in Benidorm again. It is quite busy already, but not the most as I did expect for those crowds of fancy dress. I do expect loads of people still arriving tomorrow, even the day itself, that are just coming in for the party. So join me tomorrow for a walk down the strip to see how busy it already is. Don't forget guys, do give a like, do subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.